Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your satellite internet provider businesses. For example, you have a satellite internet provider business in where you can provide different facilities to your users regarding the plan upgradation, outage notification as well as customer support. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data into your Google Sheet. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation, in where we can take the trigger application as a Pabbly Chatflow and the action application as in Google Sheet. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your satellite internet provider business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will automatically respond to your customer. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of satellite internet provider, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Satellite Internet Provider, ready to experience lightning fast internet wherever you are. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is easy plan upgrades, outage notification and contact us. If I'll click on outage notification, then it will respond to me like this while asking me to provide my full name. So here I am providing my name. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will ask me to share my customer ID. So here I am giving them one test customer ID. Here I give it. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you Mehruz Khan, we have received your order ID. Our team is checking your connection and will work to get you back online as quick as possible. You can see the bot will respond to me by my name that I have given them here. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data, that is their name and their order ID, into your Google Sheet like this. See Mehruz Khan and the order ID that I gave them here. If I'll click on easy plan upgrades, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the plans that are available in this satellite internet provider. That is basic plan, standard plan and premium plan. Here you can see it will also mention that please select 1, 2 or 3 while providing me 3 different buttons. If I'll click on 3, that is premium plan, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that you have selected the premium plan 100 Mbps including their price. Please confirm to upgrade to this plan by replying yes to proceed or no to choose a different plan. If I'll click on yes, then you can see it will respond to me like this. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your customer instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your satellite internet provider businesses. So for creating this type of WhatsApp chatbot, first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. The next one is the AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. Here on the right hand side, you can see one button is there, add flow button. With the help of this button, you can create a new WhatsApp chatbot. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our satellite internet provider business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from input such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of satellite internet provider. Now I want to add one welcome message for my customer. For that I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. At the end of this message, I'll ask my customer that how can I assist you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as easy plan upgrades. The second button I'll write as outage notification, and the third button I'll write as contact us. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. In this flow starting point, you can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. Now, if my customer wants to upgrade their plans, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the respond message. Here I write it. In this you can see I wrote all the plan details that are available in my satellite internet provider business, that is basic plan, standard plan and premium plan. At the end of this, I told my customer that please select 1, 2 or 3. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons, that is 1, 2 and 3. Here I write it, while one is for basic plan, second one is for standard plan and third one is for premium plan. After that, when my customer wants to upgrade their basic plan, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the basic plan upgradation. Here I write it. In this you can see I told my customer that please confirm if you want to upgrade to this plan by replying yes to proceed or no to choose a different plan. So for this I am providing them two buttons, that is yes and no. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to proceed the upgradation, then they will click on this button, yes button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and writing the respond message in this enter message box. Here I write it. Now if my customer does not want to proceed the upgradation of plan, then they will click on this no button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. So that whenever they click on this no button, then bot will provide them another plans. After that, now if my customer wants to choose the upgradation of standard plan, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the standard plan. Here I write it. For this also, I am doing the same step that I have done here, that providing them two buttons, that is yes and no, by clicking on this plus add button. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to proceed the upgradation of standard plan, then they will click on this yes button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the upgradation of standard plan. Here I write it. Now if my customer does not want to upgrade their plan, then they will click on this no button. So my bot will provide them another plans. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this message. After that, now third one is the premium plan. If my customer wants to upgrade their premium plan, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the premium plans. Here I write it. In this also, I told my customer that please confirm to upgrade to the plan by replying yes to proceed or no to choose a different plan. So I am providing them two buttons, that is yes and no. Here I write it. Now if my customer wants to proceed the upgradation of their premium plan, then they will click on this yes button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the respond message. Here I write it. Now if my customer does not want to proceed their premium plan, then they will click on this no button. Then my bot will provide them another plans. Here it is connected. Now after that, if my customer were facing the outage notification issue, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this action button and choose option as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing one question for my customer, that please provide your full name. Here I write it. While in the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I have already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. In this, I'll select format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. And you can also write validation message in this enter validation message box. I'm not writing any validation message, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of outage notification to the message I write here. It is connected. At first, I'll arrange this properly. Now, after that, when my customer will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them about their customer ID. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and entering the message. Here I write it. While in the select contact custom field, I'll select as order ID. Format I'll select as any. After that, I'll connect this circle to this. Now, whenever my customer will provide me their full name and their customer ID, so I want to store their information in my Google Sheet. For that, I'm taking one API request button. Drag this API request box here. Here you can see it will ask you for webhook URL that you can get by your Pabbly Connect automation. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflow. If you want a detailed video of how to create a workflow into your Pabbly Connect account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I already created one workflow for satellite internet provider. See, in this I'll use the trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow. It will provide me one webhook URL, so I'll copy this and paste this URL in this. Here I select as post. You can see there are three options, that is parameter, headers and body. I am using parameters. In the select contact custom field, first I'll select as full name that we were asked to our customer. In this key box I'll write as full name. The second one I'll write is, first I'll select the contact custom field as order ID, and in this key box I'll also write as order ID. Here I write it. After that I'll click on this test button. See, here I got the response, that is order ID and full name that we were written here. After that, the action application I'll take as Google Sheet, where I'll use action event as add new row. Select the spreadsheet that I have already created before, and after that I have done the mapping here. After the completion of this, I'll click on this save button. Now we will get back to our Pabbly Chatflow and click on this save button. Here it is saved. After that, I'll connect this circle to this. With the help of this API request node, all your customer information that they will provide to your WhatsApp business account will automatically store to your Google Sheet with the help of this automation. Now after that, I want to write one thank you message for my customer. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my response message. Here I write it. You can also see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name, because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my customer by their name. As different customer have different names, so sending their manual name we will use this dollar symbol. You can also see I'll use this asterisk symbol, because with the help of this symbol this message will go to the WhatsApp business account of your customer in the bold format. Here it is completed. Now the third one is the contact us. If my customer wants to directly contact with me, then they will click on this contact us button, so my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my satellite internet provider. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of your flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your satellite internet provider businesses. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customer and store your data into your Google Sheet like this. So this bot is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and storing the information of your customer into Google Sheet will be done with the help of Pabbly Connect automation. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.